Hi there, this is Pam, Pam's Paper Place, and I have moved my craft room down into the basement. This was a little spare bedroom. So I finally, it's been like probably over a week, but I will show you what I've done. It's kind of the same, setup that I had upstairs, but I think this is a little bigger room, and I took out the desk that I had in my craft room before. I'm going to try to take this video. My stomach's making weird noises, but okay. This is the back of the door. It's kind of the same as I had before. It's got like twine and some ribbons. And then here, I kind of like to put the same things together, like my stamps are in this little cabinet here. And then I'll kind of go back around, and then I have my inks and pens there. That's just a little teacup and some more pretty laces in that basket. This is my closet there. Then here's the desk that I will be working at. I'm going to try to keep this just for where I work. I have a big cutter. It takes up a lot of space, but I do like that. There's my stomach making a noise. There is a little cart that has cards and index cards in there. So I'm trying to do this not too fast. And then here in this closet, it can be shut, but and I don't have it totally done. I mean, as you work at it, you figure out what you want to have in it. I'll put different papers. Actually, I'll probably put different papers in here, like coffee dyed papers and things. And then this basket has flowers in it. And then I just have some jewelry stuff. I'm not sure if it'll be there. I just have it there for now, for making jewelry, tassels, and stuff for journals. And then I have my inks and sprays, that type of thing here. Ink pads, stamp pads on the top here. And then I think I've got stickles in that basket and that little stamp press thing. And these are just some of my main inks, like my Stampin' Up. And I don't really like it on the edge here, but that's just what I have for now. And then I have in these drawers different inks and things, and so I have two of these little towers with things in them. And I could do another a video showing what I have in there. I'm just going to do a little overview now, and then I still have the same shoe thing with rickrack in them. And then just in this basket I have extra yarns. And then here is my washi tape. Then I have this tower here, and that's full of things. And this little table, and it has stickers, laces, and little fabrics and things. And then I have this little window here, and I think this is where I will film somehow, put my, I don't know, either there or my table, I'm not sure yet. And then I'd have different embellishments. This is like a little view out that way. So I still have a window, which is nice. So I have just different things of embellishments here in jars. embroidery floss, paintbrush stuff, lighting. Then I have this dresser here, and then my little tools and that caddy, paper towels. And then I have what I had upstairs, this little metal, I think it was supposed to be a dry erase board, and then I had to cover, I put these little magnets on, these little round magnets, and then I covered them with white stickers. And I have mainly wood type buttons in the little magnet containers. Then I have this, what I had upstairs. It's a little dresser full of things. And then this is the same, I got my buttons. That's a piece of pretty embroidery I put in that little frame. And there's all the little fluffy rosettes. Here, I have different things in there, stencils, and this is where I keep my different Martha Stewart scoreboards. Then this is basically the same setup with these, I don't know what you call these little ladder shelves. So I can have my sewing machine set up there. And some little plastic containers that I had covered with paper. And then this is, I think, where I'll be setting a little chair there. And then I have some, I don't really use these. I thought I would, these Nouveau drops. I'll have to use those more. Just a journal I made there. Some little tins with things in them. And then I had covered these with paper and put little flowers on them. Same with more storage here. And my sewing machine fits there. And then this little tower that I covered with paper and flowers. And then this closet. It's not real finished, but I do have just a couple little things in there. Let me go back around to my desk. So I think this will work out good. And then this basically will just be where I do my journals, just embellishing, because my papers aren't in here. I have a closet outside the door that will have my paper pads in it, and then I have a laundry room that has 2 long counters that I will put my journals together, because I've got long counters, and then I have a little basement storage room that I have my books in. So everything is downstairs, but I have different little centers. And those aren't done yet. So it's going to take a while. It took me all week just to, get all this stuff done. And there's a little teacups I made with the little birds in there, bird nest, little doilies. And then here's my pens, which I don't use that much anymore. And then I think these are from the Dollar Tree, these little containers. Then I just put my stamps in there, and it fits perfect right there. And then I'll just show this part. I have wood stamps in here, bigger stamps, more wood stamps. And that little container, and these are mainly like lines and some words. And then I have little containers that have, and I got these online. I really like these zippered pouches, but I don't know if I can open it up with one hand. I can't, but They're kind of nice to put more cling stamps. So that's what I have in there. And I think this was from the Dollar Tree. I can't find those anymore. So kind of like to have that all together. This is my stamps. And then my ink was, I showed you where that was. Yeah, and this, I just had painted it and the little flowers pink, and I put some real pretty little things in there. I got this little piece from somebody, and then I just glued it on this fabric in this little frame. And there's some little stick pin fairies there. And then, like I said, in this little cart, I have playing cards? Yeah, playing cards down here. And what are these cards called? I don't even remember, but you can put those in journals. So, and these are from the Dollar Tree too, and it fits perfect. You can fit 4 of these perfectly in that little cart. So that's what I have to show you so far. That is what I have accomplished. Now I need to start making a few things in here. So I thought I'd show it to you before it gets messy, this part anyway, and then later I'll do maybe a showing you what I have in the little storage units. So, and then I'll show you the closets, how those are organized, but that's going to be a while. So thanks for watching. I hope you have a great day. Bye-bye.